Morning. Yeah, well, surprise, same scenery, but it's actually not too cold. It's pretty nice. So today we want to go to the Lake Marian, just up the street a little bit, and do a hike there and then drive back. But first need some black caffeinated beverage, hot. Yes, you can see that on the camera. Nice colors. Very nice. See it on the camera even better. Better. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. We're on the way to Lake Marian on the Milford Sound track. And this is the lookout. A lookout. Someone just came back and she said 2.5 hours, and she was very proud. Let's see how long we take. Okay. That's some clear water, isn't it? Got civilization on there, huh? Anya? Anya? I have civilization. Definitely more of a jungle vibe. Well, except for God. Feels like climbing a river. Very rooty, very stony. Still kind of easy. Got some lake vibes here. With the mist. There's even toilets here. Look at that luxury. Let's see if it's black. First one. Saw the lake. There she is.
Swim?
Yes.
Oh, right. Actually.
What?
Oh,
yes.
Are you going for a swim?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, good, awesome. Have fun.
Yeah.
We're the only ones that didn't.
Okay.
Munchy, munchy. Munchy. Banana for scale. Cuties. Total time 2:07. So we were a bit quicker than this girl from the start. Let's get some late brunch, early dinner. Dinner? Yeah, dinner. Is pretty impressive and beautiful and pretty impressive. people giving up, I think. So it's a 10-minute walk to the visitor center, where you get all the cruises and the boarding passes. And that's it. That is Milford Sound. Much more rough of a drive than the destination, I guess. But yeah, we didn't do the cruise, so maybe, but the Doppler Sound, that's enough. It's so calm. There's about a 5-minute wait for the tunnel, so I might as well snap some footage. What a wonderful morning. But cold. Very, very cold. Fjordlands are cold. And it is mid-March. So that's what we're dealing with. It's a nice campsite. It's the kiosk campsite from the dock. And this is our view. Cheers. We're going to Tiana, get some chores done, fill up the gas, and get to Lumsden to get some work done. Mirror Lakes. Takahe. Takahe. Beautiful. Just like on the picture. There's no little... Oh, yeah, there she is. Down there. There, the black one.
Poke around and find whatever you want.